OPEC and OPEC nations are, as usual, ripping off the rest of the world. And I don't like it. Nobody should like it.
From the halls of the United Nations headquarters in September, Trump accused OPEC countries of cheating. For an entire year, the American president has squarely blamed the organization for higher oil prices. It all started on April 20th when Trump tweeted a warning to OPEC that he would not tolerate the cartel's oil price manipulation. 2 months later, he targeted the bloc again, highlighting that U.S. crude had spiked above $70 for the first time in 4 years. While oil market experts blamed Trump's sanctions on Iran for the hike, the U.S. president continued to insist OPEC alone was at fault. The same month, he dialed Saudi Arabian King Salman and asked the country to ramp up production, but prices kept rising. So over the course of 4 months, on multiple occasions, Trump had attacked OPEC policies. Yet analysts continue to cite the U.S. president's sanctions against OPEC's third-largest producer. In November, when oil prices crashed to around $60 per barrel, he issued another warning. A week later, oil fell below $55, and Trump thanked Saudi Arabia on Twitter. A day earlier, he controversially announced he would stand by the kingdom on the journalist Jamal Khashoggi's murder case, with claims he was using it as a leveraging tool to keep oil prices down. Increased production of crude in the U.S. is also one of the major factors behind an oil market downturn. For the first time on record, the U.S. last week exported more crude oil and fuel than it imported. Political analysts say Trump's fear of a potential backlash at home is the driving force behind his OPEC tirade. They argue that higher gasoline prices in the U.S. would not augur well politically for his 2020 re-election bid. As OPEC debates whether to cut output, the U.S. president is keeping a close watch. The question is, for how long will the oil cartel toe the Trump line? With Nye and Seth, Victor Ning for CGTN.